Security is paramount. As the trucks depart, the reinforced doors seal automatically, protecting the valuable cargo inside. Once printed, the money is moved by autonomous robots through our high-security distribution center.
The automated system processes the notes with unmatched efficiency and security before distribution.
Once printed, the currency is transported in high-security armored convoys like this one, ensuring safe distribution to regional banks.
The distribution process concludes as the currency is carefully placed into circulation at the point of sale.
The automated packaging station fills heavy canvas bags with precise rolls of coins for transport.
The automated teller machine provides a secure and efficient method for currency distribution, tracking every note dispensed. The distribution phase requires maximum security protocols, utilizing a fleet of armored vehicles to transport the freshly printed currency.
The automated loading sequence begins as the robotic arm secures the armored data cable. This ensures a precise and efficient transfer.
Advanced optics scan the coins at high speed, analyzing the metallic structure and dimensions with pinpoint accuracy.
At over 1,000 degrees Celsius, the liquid metal is cast into blanks, the first step in minting currency.
The automated process ensures maximum efficiency as the raw metal is forged and prepared for the next stage of production.
The metal discs are fed into the rollers to be smoothed and prepared for minting.
En esta etapa crucial, los lingotes de oro puro son depositados por brazos robóticos en crisoles de alta temperatura. Here at the inspection station, high-speed cameras scan every banknote for imperfections, ensuring precision and efficiency.
Once the ink is dry, the continuous sheets are precisely cut into individual €100 banknotes and prepared for distribution.
Aquí, las pacas de algodón prensado se transforman en una masa esponjosa, lista para el siguiente paso en la fabricación de billetes de alta seguridad.
Aquí, los billetes de 100 y 10 euros pasan por las lámparas de calor para secar la tinta fresca.
The process begins here, where vibrant blue and pink inks are precisely combined to create the unique violet required for the currency.
Once packaged, the banknotes proceed through the automated scanning phase, where robotic precision guarantees accuracy at high speed.
Automated systems ensure that every €50 banknote is cut and stacked flawlessly before distribution.
Here, the crucial intaglio printing process begins, giving the banknotes their distinctive tactile quality.
The automated inspection station verifies the authenticity of each €100 note using advanced laser technology before it enters circulation. The robotic arms move with mathematical precision, preparing the sealed boxes of money for long-term storage in the secure warehouse. El proceso de fabricación del dinero es seguro y eficiente, utilizando tecnología de punta para evitar falsificaciones.
The process begins here, as raw cotton fibers are vigorously washed in high-tech stainless steel vats.
Este robot AGV asegura el traslado eficiente de los rollos de papel moneda a la siguiente fase del proceso.
This high-tech machinery transforms the cotton fibers through intense pressure, creating the distinct, durable paper base essential for every banknote.
The automated cutting machine precisely separates the sheets into individual 50 and 100 euro banknotes at high speed. The process begins as massive rollers apply the initial layers of ink, transforming blank paper into high-security euro currency.
With pinpoint accuracy, the automated blade slices through the thick stacks of 550 euro notes. The guillotine precisely cuts the large sheets into individual 550 euro banknotes.
El proceso inicia con el lavado y prensado de la fibra. Los rodillos compactan el material, eliminando el exceso de agua y preparando el sustrato para la impresión.
Deep within the vault, billions of dollars are secured under optimal conditions, with temperature and humidity constantly monitored.
Every 100 euro note receives its unique identifier through this high-speed, fully automated printing process, monitored by advanced optical sensors.
This precise automated process ensures that only the ink in the recessed engravings remains. The excess is meticulously wiped away by the cleaning roller. Here, the cotton base for the currency is mixed with specialized security fibers, ensuring durability and preventing counterfeiting.
With the vault door sealed, the billions inside are protected by tons of solid steel and precision engineering, awaiting distribution.
The process begins with raw cotton, which is purified and broken down before being transformed into the substrate for the currency.
The high-speed inspection system uses advanced lasers to verify the authenticity of every banknote.
Elements.
The manufacturing process begins as the specialized cotton and linen substrate is fed into the high-speed presses.
Here, the plates press the ink into the paper, creating the raised print you can feel on the finished banknotes. Automated guided vehicles precisely transport the currency rolls to the next stage, the entangling hall, ensuring maximum efficiency and security. Each banknote undergoes rigorous inspection. The raised ink, watermarks, and holographic stripe are all verified by machine.
The intaglio printing process begins as the specialized green ink is precisely applied to the copy.
Under ultraviolet lit, the 10 euro note reveals its advanced security features. The fibers glow brightly.